So it's October 7th, and I just got my new little puppy, 8 weeks old. His name is TJ. It's Tully Jr., and we just brought him home, and we're just bringing him to see Dexter, and Dexter loves him. They're so cute together, so we're going to put him on the grass for the first time.
Hello, Dexter. He's good. Look. He's a little boy, just like you.
Little boy. Oh, look at him waddle. Buddy, chill out. Dexter's like, what's happening?
Isn't he cute, Dexter? He's a good boy, Dexter. Give him belly.
Give him belly, Dexter. You gonna give him belly? Give him your belly.
Actually, he's not bad.
It's good. He's just curious. Hey. Yeah. He's smelling you.
He's a boy, Dexter. He's a boy. He's someone to play with. Yes. Yes. Can you give him belly?
Give him kisses. Give him kisses. Give him kisses. He's such a good boy. Be nice, Dexter. Oh, don't bite. Give him belly. Give him your belly. Give him belly. Oh. Yeah. There's a good boy.
Good boy, Dexter. Good boy.
Oh, he's
trying to suckle him.
You want to suckle off my nipple? Oh. That's a good boy, Dexter.
Good boy, Dexter.
Yeah.
That's a good boy. Oh, look, he's carrying it.
Is he?
Yeah.
Has he got it?
He's trying. He's trying. I got it. I got it. Get the ball. I got it. I got that ball. I have a chew here. No, Park. Get the ball. Here, get the ball. Get your ball. Go get it.
Is he scaring you?
Bring it.
He's scaring you.
Dexter. Go get him.
Get him.
He stole my drawings. And now the wrong pictures are being made all over the school. Move along, people.
Oh, got your ear. Got your ear.
Did you hear me sing?
TJ, be nice. Get him, Dexter. Bite him. Bite him. Okay. TJ. Hey. Be nice. Play nice. What you doing? TJ. Hi, baby. Don't bite. What are you doing, Dexter? Dexter! You got booties on? Oh, we got one off. Dexter.